I'm in the process of building this Duncan Fife tilt top table. The top will have leaves that lift up here, but I've been working on this bottom section for quite a while here, and I'm ready to take part of this apart to glue this upper assembly here is fastened to the bottom assembly with some screws, which I've removed, and I want to take this frame apart and glue it up, just to show you some of the joinery that's involved here. These end pieces are dovetailed into these rails and to these corner blocks. There's two drawers, one on each end, so that makes the drawer entry here. Let me take this one. Take this out. You can see the half dovetail and the dovetail that goes into these corner blocks. Now, these rails will hold the hinges that hold the tilt top up. So there's that space for the hinged part here to work. But I've got to take these side pieces are bare-faced tenons into the corner blocks that have a turned end. So none of this is glued. So these corner blocks are connected with the tenon, mortise and tenon joint. And it's gonna take a while to glue all this together in one go. And I'm gonna be using Tight Bond 3 that gives me some more time. That's going to be necessary. This just is too intricate to piece together here real quickly. So lift this out of the mortises and pull these corner blocks out. Mortise and tenon. There you can see some of the joinery on the corner block. So it's now apart. This frame is glued, but I got to glue all these corner blocks and side rails and end pieces in one go, and so I think I'm ready to do that.